Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can install applications on your Windows. So for that, let's go quick into the process. So in the Windows search bar, type Store. Click on Microsoft Store under the Best Match. Now here in the Microsoft Store, you can search for all the apps, games, and movies that you want to install on your Windows. So you have here the best-selling games. We have the Roblox, Minecraft, Candy Crush, the Candy Crush Soda Saga. So there are also a lot from here. You also have the 77, the Clockmaker. So there are a lot of best-selling games from here that you can install from. You just need to simply click on this and click on the Get button, and that will install the application on your Windows. And you also have the best selling applications, which is the PDF Reader, Nitrado, Sketchbook Pro, Tray Office, Movie Maker, Crosshair. The top free apps, you have the WhatsApp. You just need to simply click on that and click on the Get button. That's how you can easily install applications on your Windows. You also have here the top free games, new movies. So there are a lot from here in the Microsoft Store that you can install into your Windows, or you can just simply search for your favorite app from here. Let's say, for example, you're going to install the Facebook application into your Windows. Search for Facebook. Then you have to click on the first option and simply click on the Get button. Now once you click on the Get button, then that will ready to install the application into your Windows. So you just have to wait for that. And let's wait in a while. Now this is installed. Facebook is installed into our Windows. So in the Windows search bar, type Facebook. And you can now use the Facebook app into your Windows. But in case that the application is not present in the Microsoft Store, let's say for example the Chrome browser, if I hit enter, there will be no Chrome browser that will appear from here. You only have the Mozilla, the Opera, and the Brave browser. So for that, you can open the Microsoft Edge browser. And then in the search bar, just simply type Chrome download, hit enter, and you'll find the Google Chrome, because this is a very useful browser for every Windows. So I'm going to also show you on how you can install it, not from the Microsoft Store, but through the browser. So you just need to simply click on download Chrome, and the installer file will be downloaded. So you just need to wait for this until the download of the installation file will be done. You can also click on this. So here you just need to wait for this to be done, and then you have to click on that to install the Chrome browser into your Windows. Because in my case, I have already installed the Google Chrome. So that's it. That's how you can easily install applications into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.